Hello, Willie Stultz here, used truck manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2016 Isuzu NPR gas. Stock number is 41811 if you'd like to take a look at it on the website. Before we jump into the walk around, we're going to go over a few things that we do to these trucks before we get them ready to sell. We bring our trucks in from our customers' trade-ins or from our leasing department. Then we look at them. We wholesale the trucks we don't want, keeping only the very best trucks for our customers to buy. Once we've done that, we do a 150-point check. We go through the cabs, the bodies, engine, transmission fluid, tires, brakes. Any discrepancies we find on these trucks, we run them through our medium and body shop. Once that's done, I test drive the trucks. We do a QC on them, get them cleaned up, pictures and video to put on the website. This particular truck is a 2016 Isuzu NPR gas. It's got the 6.0 liter gas in it. It's got the GM 6-speed transmission behind it. And on top of the 150-point check on this truck, we have done the engine oil and oil filter, the fuel filter and air filter. It's got new wiper blades and new floor mat. And this truck does have factory and extended warranty left on it. So purchasing this truck, you know you're going to have warranty to stand behind it. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. The Isuzu is a low cab Ford, so getting in it's really easy. You get in here, we got a captain's chair for the driver. We got a 2-person passenger seat, so you can have a crew of 3 in here. And with the low cab Ford trucks, you can see outwards really good, but you got a real good view up real close. So basically, this is a lot smaller footprint truck going from a conventional to this. It's easier to maneuver in your parking lot, customers' parking lots, and just going up and down the road. And like we said, it's got the 6-liter gas engine in it, 6-speed automatic transmission, so it's very easy to drive. We got the AM/FM CD player, air conditioner, cruise control. And even though this is a 2016 year model, you can look at it as very well taken care of. And it'd be a nice, clean, safe, dependable truck for you guys to get in and make you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Industrial Power has been an Isuzu dealer for over 30 years. So we know what it is to give service before, during, and after the sale of the truck. A lot of times when you're looking at a pre-owned truck, the corner caps are beat up, knocked out. This particular truck's in really good shape. It's a 14-foot Morgan aluminum van body. And this was a Southern truck. You can look down the frame rails and see not a lot of rust. It's got really good rubber on it. We've got nice new mud flaps on it. And this particular truck is a vanscaper. It's got the landscape ramps on the back. As you can see, they're a split, so you can let one down or both down. They've got three springs per side, so they go up and down pretty easy. As we get up in here, like I said, it's a 14. It's 85 inches tall, 96 wide. It's got 1 row of E-track. It's got the hardwood Apatong slats and scuff. Nice aluminum roof in it. It's got the dome light in it. And it's got a really nice laminated hardwood floor with lots of life left in it. Nice roll-up rear door that's in really good shape. A lot of our customers come into Industrial Power thinking they just want a white delivery truck. We don't see that here. We see this as a rolling billboard. And with the landscape trucks, usually you see a lot more bright, vibrant decals on there. We can put your name, we can put your company name, your logo, wrap the body and the cab. Even though this is a really nice truck, it'd make it look virtually brand new, driving that business back to you, driving down the road, turning that fuel money into advertising money for you. As we wrap up the walk around on this 2016 Isuzu NPR gas, you can see it's really nice and good shape, good rubber, and it does have that factory warranty still on it. So you know, buying this truck, you can get out on the road, and if something happens, you are going to have that warranty. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, or subscribe to our YouTube channel where we're putting on new videos pretty much every day. If you'll stick with us for a second, We're gonna tilt the cab and start this truck up and get a little more intimate shot of this thing on the video so you can see it up close and nice. And as always, we appreciate your time.